Hello and welcome to Ogden Body Shop. When you do business with us, you can expect the following 3 guarantees from us to ensure that you have a good experience here. The first is honest estimates. Now, the industry is fraught with stories about people getting their cars repaired and being taken. Not here. Whether you are a 17-year-old high school girl, a 79-year-old grandmother, or a 38-year-old seasoned mechanic, you will have the same estimate. The second guarantee is communication. We want you to know what's going on with your job, and that is one of the biggest problems in our industry is lack of communication. So our state-of-the-art text updating system gives you updates as the job progresses. When parts are ordered, are there problems with insurance companies? When the estimated delivery date may have changed, you will be updated. The third guarantee is that you can expect to have your work done correctly. Now, anybody can say that the work will be done right, but we see stuff all the time that's just bizarre with all kinds of shenanigans like wire and grabber screws holding things together. That's not right. And customers had no idea that this stuff was going on until there was a problem. Now, if you're going to work with a shop, make sure they at least, at bare minimum, offer a lifetime warranty. We take it a step further and offer a lifetime plus warranty. Now, if you're busy and you don't have time to drive on in to get an estimate from us, go ahead and click on the Start Virtual Estimate button and we can get a preliminary estimate going for you in just a couple of minutes.